Hello everyone, I'm Amulya PR of Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering and I belong to the branch CAC AI. Today I'm back with another subject, Environmental Protection Management, and on the topics Clean Technology, Closed Loop Systems and Zero Liquid Discharge. So let us see what we are going to learn today. The contents are Introduction to Clean Technology, Principles of Closed Loop Systems and the Benefits of it, Overview of Zero Liquid Discharge Technology, Key Components of ZLD, Environmental Impact of Zero Liquid Discharge, Challenges and Limitations of it, Case Studies of Successful Implementations, the industry trends and the future developments. So first, let us see the introduction to clean technology. So the clean technology will encompass innovations that will reduce the environmental impact through sustainable practices in energy. So it be it water or any materials and waste management. So it aims to minimize resource use and emissions while improving the efficiency and supporting economic growth. So the clean technology will include renewable energy sources like solar and wind, so efficient buildings, waste to energy process and sustainable materials. So this sector has gained momentum as business and governments has addressed the climatic change and environmental degradation. So the efficiency will be improving in waste management and energy consumption. Next, we have principles of closed loop systems. So the closed loop systems are designed to reduce the resources by creating a circular flow of materials such as energy or water or reducing waste and resource consumption. So in these systems, outputs from one process will serve as the input for another process. So this will minimize the environmental impact and it will promote the sustainability. So the principles of closed loop systems will include resource recovery, recycling, and waste minimization. So this model will concentrate with traditional take, make, dispose approaches. So this will promote regenerative waste-free cycle. So this is widely applied in major sectors like manufacturing or agriculture. So next we have benefits of closed loop systems. So these closed loop systems will offer environment and economic benefits by reducing waste and conserving resources. So it will also lower the cost. So they will help in industries to achieve sustainability goals by reusing the materials and reducing the landfill. So they use the carbon emissions, like they cut down the carbon emissions and energy needs. Businesses can improve the efficiency and decrease the dependencies on the raw materials and build a greater supply chain systems. So these systems will foster innovation by ensuring and encouraging the redesign of products and process to maximize the resource recovery and reduce the waste. So next let us see what is zero discharge and zero liquid discharge technology. So this ZLD technology is a water treatment process. So this process will eliminate the liquid waste discharge. So it will recover the waste water, like recover the proper water and leaving only the solid waste for disposal. So this process is used in industries where wastewater discharge can harm the environment, such as activities like mining or energy and chemicals. So by treating, purifying and recycling wastewater, the zero liquid discharge has helped many industries to comply with environmental regulations and also to conserve water and reduce the pollution. So it is gaining attention in water scarce region where sustainability water management is very critical. So next we have the components of zero liquid discharge. So this treatment process will include pre-treatment, evaporation, and crystallization. So in pre-treatment, it is nothing but the membrane systems. The contaminants are removed from the wastewater and then comes the evaporation. So here then concentrates the wastewater, and crystallization will convert the solids or the brine into manageable solids. So this is how the zero liquid discharge works. It is also common like in various sectors where the liquid discharge has to be reduced. Next, we have the environmental impact of zero liquid discharge. So they have a positive environmental impact which will prevent harmful pollutants from entering the water bodies. So this will protect the ecosystem. So they promote water conservation by recycling the wastewater, which is especially beneficial in areas that is facing water scarcity. However, the zero liquid discharge systems will require significant energy for the processing like evaporation, so which may impact carbon footprint. So it will have carbon footprint unless renewable energy sources are used. So overall, when we see the zero liquid discharge supports for sustainable industrial practices, and it will align with environmental protection goals and regulatory requirements. So it is having a overall positive impact. So next is the challenges and limitations of zero liquid discharge. So this will offer environmental benefits also, but it faces challenges including high energy consumption, or it is also having operational complexity, and high cost is another one. So the evaporation and crystallization process are energy intensive, so which can increase the operational expenses, and greenhouse gas emissions can also be emitted. So the disposal of solid waste also remains as a concern. So it must be managed in environmental safe ways. So these limitations make the zero liquid discharge more suitable for industries with stringent regulatory needs or high wastewater management budgets. So let us see some of the case studies of successful implementations. So some of the sectors are textile industries. So denim manufacturers, reduced wastewater consumption by 90% by using the zero liquid discharge. So the next sector is power generation. So the coal-fired plants, they will implement the closed loop technology. So this will save millions of gallons of water. So also it is applied in food processing industries like in beverage company. So they will also try to achieve the zero liquid waste. So this is helpful. So next we have industry trends and the future developments. So in response to increasing awareness in and regulatory pressures, industries are investing in zero liquid discharge and closed loop technologies. So these some of the technologies are low energy evaporators and advanced filtration in order to lower the cost and carbon emissions. So integration with renewable energy sources like be it solar energy or wind energy is a growing trend to mitigate the zero liquid discharge environmental impact. So the future of ZLD also involves digital tools for monitoring and optimizing the process and making it more accessible and efficient for industrial process. So it can be AI integration. So machine learning will optimize the closed loop systems. So in order to deliver with maximum efficiency. Also, nanotechnology can be used in order to enhance the filtration process. So, in nanos like 10 power minus 9, so it can filtrate in such smaller liquids. So, they help in clean tech systems. So, that is it. I thank each and everyone for watching the video completely till the end. I also request you to please like the video and share the video amongst your friends. And make sure to come back with another video on a different subject. Until then, have a good time. Thank you.